Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be unboxing the Moyu mirror cube from Miniso. So this shop is located in Mega Mall and I got this Moyu mirror cube from there. So anyway, I just cut open it already. So let's take the cube out. Let's move the cover out and let's just look at it. It looks pretty good. It has some Florian cuts here and there. And without further ado, let's turn it. This is pretty good and it's a bit slow and it turns pretty good and it just needs to speed up a little bit. Corner cutting is okay and I think this is better than my Shengshao because my Shengshao has its corner cutting is not that good. I think I'm pretty good. I can speed solve with this because it turns way better than my other mirror blocks, which is the Shengshao. So overall, I think I like this, and it turns really good. You can see. So basically, this cube is a modification of the 3x3. So instead of colors, there are shapes. You can see. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. If you want more, subscribe. So bye.